Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roysum. I am super excited to continue this new series on great questions in web handling. In this clip, I answer the question of what should you do about spreading. This is a great question. First, wrinkling is in the top 3 causes of waste, delay, and customer complaints in most plants, and spreading can be an important tool. Second, spreading has wide application because wrinkling troubles most webs at one time or another. Third, it is not so easy to give a short, simple answer, but I will try my best here. Let's get started. Wrinkling step 0 is the pre-work needed before ever considering spreading. That is, to see the lack of perfect flatness as a near miss, long before wrinkle complaints are generated. Your eyes are the most important instrument for both wrinkling and spreading. If you have not trained your eyes to see a lack of perfect flatness as a wrinkle risk, your eyes will not be great for evaluating spreaders. Wrinkling step 1 is to then understand the specific type of wrinkle initiated at a specific roller on the machine. Wrinkling step 2 is then to reduce factors for that specific root cause mechanics. In most cases, that might include changing tensions a bit, because all wrinkles are tension sensitive, even if very few are actually caused by tension. Stronger factors are application dependent. If, for example, a specific wrinkle is caused by roller misalignment, then aligning rollers makes a lot more sense than changing tensions, which may not be effective enough, or adding a spreader, which is costly both for installation as well as ongoing maintenance, even if it helped. Wrinkling step 3 is not what type of spreader to use, but rather where the spreader must go. Here, as in real estate, it is location, location, location. Placing a spreader 2 rollers upstream is too early. There is no problem to solve. Placing a spreader 2 rollers downstream is too late. The damage has already been done. Spreading step 4 is to then try a spreader that best fits that situation. Here, the application details you need to consider include traction, power, and web properties. If that spreader doesn't work after trying several adjustments, try another spreader. It is not unusual for there to be a couple of good candidates for most situations. However, this is not strictly a trial and error process. There is a science and craft of spreading that I teach in my award-winning and trademark Web201 class that has been taken by 5,000 students just like you. Also, I have an entire chapter on spreading in my web handling handbook. Finally, don't necessarily try to kill a problem. Some problems, like excessive bagginess or expansion, may not be completely treatable with any spreader, no matter how well chosen and how well applied. Rather, see if you've reduced the risk by seeing an improvement in flatness. So here, at last, Finally, we have a table of spreader options listed approximately in order of spreading power. It deserves to be last because pre-work and homework will greatly reduce the trial and error cycle of willy-nilly popping in some spreader somewhere and hoping for the best. Each of these spreaders has many application requirements that need to be met. Otherwise, the spreader may not just not work. The spreader may actually make wrinkles. Spreaders either not working or making wrinkles are as common, or even more common, than being helpful in many plans. Thank you so very much for allowing me to share my thoughts on great questions in web handling. Let me know what questions you might have in the comments section below. Please like and share if you found something interesting or useful. See you next time.